right? And it's a meringue made with black olives, with a cream of black garlic and tapenade of black olives. Then we got a crunch made with a powder of mushrooms, cream of mushroom, and a cream of jalapeno peppers. And the last one is a tartelette with pickles, piccalilli, and some green radish on top.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon.
You got a mousse for you from Jerusalem artichoke and some pear.
Okay.
So we made a bouillon of the Jerusalem artichoke, cream, chips. We made a little bit sweet and sour, and the pear. We fermented it at 55 degrees and also raw. And yeah, please enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Is a Riesling out of the Mosel Valley, so Germany, but a bit northern side of Germany. A Riesling, so fresh, vibrant. It's got the acidity.
Ja, dan lust je wel wat ze daar. Ja, dat is ook zo.
There you go. So the first course, it's the yellowtail tuna, actually the hamachi, which we made a sashimi of. Around it it's a tom yum made with yuzu. And on the right side we got some marinated zucchini, cucumber, and below it we hit the tartare of the
Ja, als je
tuna
wat
as
te
well.
vieren heeft, is altijd leuk.
Enjoy.
Thank
In
you.
de buurt of niet?
Nee, super. There you go. So we got the langoustine, which we fried with a ravioli made with pike, perch, and artichokes, cream of carrots, and it's a sauce made of the langoustine.
Okay,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Huurt dit voorstel aan op. Dit is al zo'n 20.
Is het Nederlands of Engels?
Engels, Engels.
I've got the sauce. It's from accompanied with cauliflower and a sauce we have based on verveine. It's with lemony.
Verbena, yeah.
Verveine.
Yeah, thank you.
Ja, maar dat zien we morgen.
Served with cream made of black currant, ice cream made of black currant, also the cookies, and also the blackberries, and the white cream is cream of lemon. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Laat ik eens. Daar heb ik echt een zuiver.
Van Jan zo vervelend bezig. Zeg tegen dat ik dat waardeer. Ik heb ook altijd voor zijn vader allemaal heeft geregeld.
I'll explain it from the left to the right.
Sure.
And the first two are typical Dutch. So the first one is a bokkenpootje, which is basically a meringue made with almonds and a cream of hazelnut in the middle. Then we got a stroopwafel. You probably know that one.
Yeah.
In the middle it's the financier, so it's a almond cake with forest fruit cream. Then we got a herrenhüter, which is basically a cookie out of Germany, but it's the shape that they make. That's the name, with some passion fruit and ginger. And the last one is with a bonbon with white chocolate, yuzu, and jasmine.
Thank you. Perfect.
I would recommend to start with the.
En dan is iedereen weg.